Hey, it's Christy Turnabeni. I have a new background. It's in one of my courses, and I want to help you rebuild your body in less than 365 days. I just wanted you to know this all started with me not being able to digest well. Then it progressed to arthritis. I couldn't bend over to tie my shoes or put on my pants or turn my head to drive. I thought I'd have to give up driving. Then my dentist told me my gums healed. And I went, wow. And then I was in an at-fault accident. And I told my orthopedic surgeon I could heal it. And he didn't believe me. But when he saw how fast and how well I healed, he wanted to know what I did. So I want to tell you that you can heal your body, and you can feel fit at any age, and you can age vibrantly. I'm here to help. Contact me any way you can and learn what your body needs to eat and how to eat for anti-inflammation. It's the one thing that will keep you healthy as you age, including maybe even fighting cancer or dementia or anything else that may come your way because they're related to one slow gene. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.